Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I love you be like 1. I love you more than pizza because that is a serious level of affection. 2. I love you even when you steal my snacks. True love survives a snack theft. 3. I love you like a Wi-Fi signal. I feel lost when you're not around. 4. I love you no refunds. The decision has already been made. 5. I love you from here to the moon and back. It means my feelings are huge. 6. I love you more than my favorite game. That's a legendary compliment. 7. I love you even on your grumpy days. Love doesn't disappear when moods change. 8. I love you like a coffee. Love mornings. You make the day better. 9. I love you, goofy human, affection with a little playful teasing. 10. I love you more than extra fries. That's basically a love confession. 11. I love you because you make me laugh. Happiness is a beautiful reason to care. 12. I love you even when you're being stubborn. Patience is a part of caring. 13. I love you like a sunshine. Loves the morning. You bring warmth and positivity. 14. I love you more than winning a close game. That's some serious gamer affection. 15. I love you but please don't touch my snacks. Love has boundaries too. 16. I love you because you listen. Being heard can mean a lot. 17. I love you even when you're doing absolutely nothing. Comfortable silence can be special. 18. I love you like a cat loves ignoring instructions. A goofy comparison for a playful manner. 19. I love you more than sleeping on weekends. That's an enormous compliment. 20. I love you because you make ordinary days memorable. Tiny moments can becoming real memories. 21. I love you, my favorite teammate. It shows appreciation and companionship. 22. I love you even when your jokes are terrible because sometimes the bad jokes are the funniest. 23. I love you like my phone loves a full battery. You make me feel complete. 24. I love you because you respect me. Respect makes relationship stronger. 25. I love you more than saying one more episode, and that's saying something. 26. I love you because you make me feel at home. Feeling comfortable and accepted is meaningful. 27. I love you even when we disagree. Caring doesn't require agreeing on everything. 28. I love you because you bring out my smile. A genuine smile is a wonderful gift. 29. I love you now. Stop making me blush. A playful way to express affection. 30. I love you simply because you're you. Sometimes the simplest reason is the most sincere. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.